We've just acquired this very rare Jaguar XC 2-litre R Sport, a host of extras on it, finished in gleaming black metallic with a full Jaguar service history, plus we've just serviced it. It's just been MOT'd. It's got the rear privacy glass, sun protection glass to the rear. It's got the rear park distance control, rear spoiler, Continental tyres all the way around. Shows it's always been looked after when you've got good tyres on the car. Twin chrome exhausts. Boot area is in absolutely stunning condition. This is what I like about the car, the contrasting red and black full leather interior. Absolutely superb. Really sets the car off. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. It's done 408 miles. We have satellite navigation, reverse camera, Bluetooth, different ways of driving it, cruise control, onboard computer, full leather R Sport steering wheel, aux and a USB. I love the interior. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.